हेलो मीना जी एंड हरीश जी, ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆ್ಯನಿವರ್ಸರಿ.
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी. आशीर्वाद हरीश जी, मीना जी, भैया ने आशीर्वाद.
Happy anniversary, Meena Bua, Harish Guruji.
Happy anniversary, the perfect couple. Enjoy, and we are coming to Bangalore for the party. Sorry Harish ji, no seek for anniversary. Hi Harish bhai.
Hi मीना भाभी.
We wish you a very
Happy anniversary.
हरीश और मीना, आप दोनों को शादी की सालगिरह मुबारक हो और दोनों खुश रहना.
खुश रहो. हाय हरीश भैया, हाय मीना भाभी.
We wish you a very happy 30th anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Bangalore King and Queen. Have fun.
Happiest 30th wedding anniversary भैया and भाभी. May God bless you with loads of happiness.
जिंदगी के लिए
Happy anniversary Harish and Meena. Happy anniversary भैया and भाभी. Wishing you the bestest moments. Many more to go.
Happy 30th anniversary, Meena and Harish.
आपकी शादी की सालगिरह मुबारक हो.
Happy 30th anniversary to Harish and Meena.
Harish and Meena, happy anniversary and God bless you.
Happy anniversary हरीश भाई, मीना भाभी.
Happy 30th anniversary to Bhaiya and Bhabhi. Wish you all the best for the upcoming life.
You want to wish them? बोलो बोलो.
Hi! Happy anniversary to Meena Masri and Harish Masri. Love you a lot. We too, and we miss you. Rihanna saying we miss you. Woo! Bye. Love you. I know, and we wish that we can spend more time with you both, right? And may they keep loving each other. Bye.
Happy anniversary Meena ji and Gita ji.
Happy anniversary, Meena Masi and Maruji.
I wish you a happy and a blessed anniversary and many more years of togetherness. Good luck, enjoy. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Hi Harish and Meena. Happy anniversary.
I'm wishing you a happy new year as well. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year also.
Hi Harish, hello Meena Bhavi. Hope you guys are doing well. Wanted to wish you a very happy anniversary. I heard that it is your 30th anniversary. And I'm a little surprised how did you do it because you guys don't even look 30 years old. Anyway, so I hope you have many more years to come of love, peace, happiness, joy together. And I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
Happy anniversary, Auntie and Uncle. Thank you so much for making me feel at home every single time I've visited you. And I hope you remember there have been times when Disha has not been home and we have all had lunch together. And I've felt at home every time I've come and visited you. And Auntie, thank you so much for teaching me how to make khaja and that box of khajas that you gave me. Have an amazing day.
Congratulations, Harish and Meena. When I got a message today morning from Kritika saying that I have to send some greetings for some 30th year celebrations, I thought it was I have to say happy birthday to you or to Meena because both of you look like you are in your 30s. 30 years, long years of married life, I think is a celebration for your love and togetherness. And you'll have done well, you'll have supported each other from what I've seen y'all for the last so many years. And you'll have inculcated great values for your kids. And I think the results are there for all of us to see. We wish you many more years of happiness, of love, and there is a party pending. I think a very big party pending. Congratulations once again, and God bless.
Congrats.
Many happy returns of the day. Sorry, both of you, Meena and Harish. आज भी याद है आई थिंक 3 साल पहले जब जवाई बांध में आप लोगों की मैरिज हमने अटेंड की थी रवि एंड नज़ीर. was so fun that I still remember that ढोल के नगाड़े जो थे और डांस, still it's memorable events. So wish कि हम इस समय साथ हो सकते और आ सकते हैं, बट पार्टी तो ड्यू है सब दोस्त. भगवान से प्रार्थना करेंगे आपकी जोड़ी सलामत रहे और स्टिल हैव वन गेट टुगेदर अगेन वेरी सून. बोथ मीना एंड हरीश अगेन विश यू many हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. सालगिरह की बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. टेक केयर. बाय.
हाय सेठ जी और मीना, हैप्पी 30th वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी. सेठ जी एक बताती हूँ, हाँ, 30 years, नाइस. हैव अ ग्रेट लाइफ. फलो फूलो, नहीं फूलो मत, फलो, खुश रहो. और नेक्स्ट टाइम ना स्कूटर पे जाना हो, रोमांटिक राइड पे, तो स्कूटर पे मत जाना. गो इन अ कार so that you don't fall down. Okay? Bye. Blessed to have a friends like you. Bye, Harish and Meena. Have a great anniversary.
Harish bhai, Meena ji, you are a great couple. You look very good together. On this anniversary of yours, wish you many more years of companionship. May you have golden jubilee, diamond jubilee. You have raised very great kids, I must say. And wish you all the success in future. Wish you success in business, wish you success in life, wish you success for your kids. And I very well remember and have fond memories of going to the Jawai Band station and then to your native to attend the marriage ceremonies along with Lalit and Potu. So I mean, I will cherish that all through my life. So I mean, wish you all the success. May you have very good times together. All the best. Bye.
Hi Harish and Meena, a very happy anniversary, 30th marriage anniversary, and I'm so glad that we are able to convey these greetings to you online. And Harish joined, I remember, in 1989 when we were all started our masters in pharmacy, and Harish, next year you got married and all the boys went along with you in Rajasthan and they had so much of fun. They kept talking about it. I missed it. And you moved to Bangalore after the college and I started teaching and then went into research. But the credit goes to you to find me again, and you made me join the group. And I'm having so much of fun on the non-stop nonsense. And what I wanted to tell is you've been a great friend. मैं हमेशा संजीव से बोलती हूँ तुम दोस्तों के दोस्त हो. And you are a nice person, very kind and warm at heart. And I still remember you had told me once कि बस में जाते हो ना जब, तो just watch the expressions of other people and try to understand. So I guess you have a lot of empathy for all the human beings, and that's how you are a great friend. And I wish you from all my heart a very happy anniversary again. And Meena, I haven't met you in person, but I seriously look forward to it. And whenever you are coming to Mumbai this time, please let me know and I'll come and meet you in person, and we'll have great fun. Okay, enjoy guys, enjoy your day. Bye.
Hi Harish and Meena. He is wishing you a very happy 30th wedding anniversary.
Hi Harish and Meena, wishing you a very happy 30th wedding anniversary. All the best.
Hello auntie and uncle, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Bada Papa and Badi Mummy. Hope you had wonderful 30 years of your life. Here's wishing you lots of happiness and joy in the years coming. Happy 30th. Bye.
Hello, happy anniversary, Harish and Meena. Many happy returns of the day, Meena Bhabhi and Harish Bhaiya.
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी।
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी बड़ी मम्मी बड़ा पापा।
बार बार ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू यू, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू यू।
Wish you a many happy anniversary to Bhaiya and Bhabhi.
Wish you a many happy anniversary to Bhaiya and Bhabhi.
बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिन आए, तुम्हारी जोड़ी बनी रहे हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू यू, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू यू, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी भैया एंड भाभी।
Happy anniversary, Momisa and Mamusa.
बाय।
Hi. Happy anniversary, Bada Papa and Badi Mummy. Keep rocking always. Keep rocking always.
Hello, Mummy Papa. Happy 30th anniversary. I hope you guys have a great day ahead and a great year ahead as well. So I edited this video and I was overwhelmed with the total number of messages you guys got. And it comes to no surprise because you have a great circle of friends and family who are wishing you well. And again, this is because of the great happy relationship you guys have, and everybody looks up to you just like we do. I hope we get to spend many more anniversaries and celebrate it together in the future. In the meantime, I hope you have a great day, and the rest of the year is also great.
Hi Mummy, hi Papa. Wish you a very happy anniversary. Very happy 30th anniversary. This is so amazing, like 30 years of togetherness. And I wish I had known you longer, like listening to your friends and their little snippets and stories about you. I wish I'd known you even before I was born. I mean, it's so sweet. I mean, it's like this avatar that I haven't seen because I've always seen you as parents, and oh my god, I mean, it was just so overwhelming to listen to all those messages and the love that you received. But I mean, to me, like, I've told this to Mommy before, and it's just so amazing to see you guys so dedicated to everything that you do, be it parenthood, be it your commitment to other relationships and your commitment to work, both Mommy as well as Dad. And it's just amazing, and that's something that I really want to strive for. And you add so much value to people's lives, and that's so reflected in the way people are with you and how much they value you and your relationship. And I really want to get there. I know I'm not there, but I really want to get there. And it's just amazing to have role models like you as my parents. So thank you so much. Thank you for adding so much value to my life, to Disha's and Likit's life as well. And okay, even Ginger, sitting so far away, wants to wish you a happy anniversary. Hi, Gingy. So I hope you have a great day and a great year ahead. I love you. Bye. And we should have a post-pandemic party soon.
Hi, Mummy Papa. Wish you a very happy 30th anniversary. Have a great year and have these awesome, great 2 days. I'm in front of you only. Bye.
मीना और हरीश के 30वीं सालगिरह पर शुभकामनाएं। गॉड ब्लेस यू, ऑल द बेस्ट, गुड लक, जय जिनेंद्र।
क्या कहूँ मेरा जो हाल है, रात दिन तुम्हारा ख्याल है। हो क्या कहूँ, मेरा जो हाल है, रात दिन तुम्हारा ख्याल है। फिर भी जाने जा मैं कहाँ और तुम कहाँ। अकेले हैं तो क्या गम है, चाहे तो हमारे बस में क्या नहीं। बस एक जरा साथ हो तेरा,
तेरे तो हैं हम तब से सनम, अकेले हैं तो क्या गम है, चाहे तो हमारी बस में क्या नहीं। बस एक जरा साथ हो तेरा,
तेरे तो हैं हम कब से सनम,
अकेले हैं तो क्या गम है।
अब ये नहीं सपना, ये सब है अपना। अब ये नहीं सपना, ये सब है अपना। ये जहां प्यार का छोटा सा